Hello friends, welcome back to We Nomads. Today we are going to show you another quick review of Radisson Blu Mumbai International Airport. कैसे हेल्प करेगा आपको अगर आप मुंबई आ रहे हैं तो ये आपको बताएगा कि यहाँ रहना चाहिए कि नहीं. यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड जब मैं आपको ये होटल दिखाऊंगा. सो दे हैव 4 कैटेगरीज. तो आइए पहला देख लेते हैं. सुपीरियर और डीलक्स रूम आर द फर्स्ट 2 कैटेगरीज. इनमें कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है साइज़ वाइज, डेकर वाइज. The rooms are very nice and they're similar. Superior or deluxe mein the only difference is that superior is on lower floors and deluxe is on a higher floor. The decor of the room is pretty modern. The beds are comfortable, very spacious room considering that it is in Mumbai. So I think it's a very nice room. Okay, time to check out the most important part of any hotel room, which is their bathroom. The toiletries are nice. They have their own standard toiletries of Radisson Blu. They have everything. They gave everything which you might require. And this is a shower cubicle. The towel was soft and clean. Hand shower adjustable. Then you have the sitting area if you like to take shower while sitting. Then standard amenities like iron board, hanger, safe box, room slippers. About other amenities, they have the QR codes on this table which you can check out for in-room dining. Let's check out what was there in the mini bar. Okay, 2 more bottles of water, and here's a QR code. You can check out everything required. Nice center table. No smoking of course in the room. Let's check out the view. Nice view. They have this very nice garden which I'll show you later in the video. Okay, time to check out their suite. I don't know how many suites they have. I forgot to ask, but this is their suite, and this is the living area. Nice color combo. Nice furniture, very modern look. In something more or less the similar minibar, and this is the room, another TV, another sitting area. Beds were very comfortable. It's a very modern looking interiors, nothing jazzy. Oh wow, they have a walk-in cupboard. And let's check out their bathroom. The bathroom is huge. Their shower cubicle is much bigger than what I had in my room, and they have 2 wash basins. I guess I don't know what the logic is, but it's there. And then there is another bathtub. Standard amenities again, safe box, iron board, and let's check out the view. So I don't know if you can make out, behind the crane was the airport, and this is their 4th category, which is the business class room, the so-called business class room. It's exactly the same like the standard and premium room, but in the bathroom they have extra tub. So that's the only change which is there in the business class. Good morning. Time to check out my favorite meal of the day, which is the breakfast, and I really judge the hotel by the quality of the breakfast. The decor, some people might not like it, but I kind of really liked it. It was like very colorful, and the breakfast spread was nice, no complaints there. The live counter was also pretty adequate. Paranthas were there, and of course you have to have dosas and uttapam in a live counter in any hotel in India. promised, time to check out the most beautiful place in this hotel, which is the small garden which they have, which you can access from the Fiona restaurant only. They have a door there. It's very pretty. Some more sitting area if you want to sit and enjoy the beautiful garden, and that's your chai counter where you can have your kadak chai. Again, very colorful counter though. Okay, so they have a bar also called Roasters. I didn't try anything there. Can't comment on the prices. Small cozy bar though. Okay, time to check out some more facilities of this hotel. They have a lovely infinity pool at the top of the hotel, from where you can also enjoy the views of Mumbai International Airport takeoff and landings. This is their gym, and they also have a spa, which I didn't check it out. Very expensive. I think it's called Tatva. Would I recommend this hotel? It's a very convenient hotel if you are on a short stay on Mumbai. From outside it might not look very nice, but the staff is very good, the quality of the room is very good, and the food is very good. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.